Hi, good morning. I would like to show you a free app that allow you to record the screen on your Windows PCs. So the app is called FreeCam. So you can just open any browser and start searching FreeCam screen recorder. And it's not the first one, it's this one that says www.freescreenrecording.com. So you click on that, and that will take you to this FreeCam downloading site. You just put in your email, and then I'm not going to do it here. So you put your email, and then you click on download, and after that you should have the installation app downloaded. So I already go through that process. It's completely free. Download the installation. It's called FreeCam. In fact, I'm recording the screen now using this app. So you just double click on that, and that will take you to the setup window, and then you click on next. Normally just click on next, that will install it, but as you can see, I already have it installed. So I can only repair, remove. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay. So I usually want to cancel and say yes. So finish. But for you, it should be installing the app and then finish everything. Then you can choose to launch it or not. Let me see if I can show you how to open this. So after you install it, you get this little icon. And if you double click on that, because I'm running it, so I cannot show you exactly what it looks like, but it's fairly easy to use. Okay. I hope you like it.